Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to guide for all things finance and investing. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can truly transform your financial life, budgeting tips. If you want to take control of your finances and boost your productivity, stick around because I've got some powerful strategies to share with you. Segment 1. Understanding your income. First things first, let's talk about your income. Understanding exactly how much money you take home each month is crucial. This means considering not just your salary, but also any side hustles or passive income streams. Calculate your net income after taxes so you know what you're actually working with. This is your starting point. Segment 2. Track your spending. Next up, track your spending. You can do this with apps like Mint or YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. The goal here is to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Break it down into categories: housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and more. This will help you identify areas where you might be overspending. Segment 3. Set clear financial goals. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to set clear financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in both the short term and the long term. Short-term goals could be saving for a vacation or paying off credit card debt, while long-term goals might include buying a house or retirement savings. Make these goals specific and measurable. Segment 4. Choose a budgeting method. Now let's choose a budgeting method that works for you. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Another approach is zero-based budgeting, where you assign every single dollar a job, ensuring your income minus your expenses equals zero. Find what resonates with you. Segment 5. Prioritize essential expenses. It's crucial to prioritize essential expenses. Identify what you absolutely need each month, like rent, utilities, and groceries, and ensure these are covered first. This helps you focus your spending on what truly matters and avoid impulsive purchases. Segment 6. Cut unnecessary costs. Now, let's talk about cutting unnecessary costs. Review your discretionary spending. Are there subscriptions you rarely use? Dining out too much? Look for areas where you can trim the fat. Even small savings can add up over time. Segment 7. Utilize budgeting tools and apps. To make budgeting easier, utilize budgeting tools and apps. Tools like Mint and YNAB can help you automate your budgeting process and send alerts for upcoming bills. This not only saves time, but keeps you on track. Segment 8. Build an emergency fund. Next, let's discuss building an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This cushion will give you peace of mind and protect you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Segment 9. Review and adjust regularly. Remember, budgeting is not a one-time task. You need to review and adjust your budget regularly, preferably every month. This allows you to assess what's working and what's not. Life changes, and so should your budget. Segment 10. Stay motivated and accountable. Finally, stay motivated and accountable. Celebrate small wins along the way. For example, if you stick to your budget for a month, treat yourself to something special without breaking the bank. Consider finding a budgeting buddy or joining online communities for support. So there you have it. Those are my top budgeting tips to help you gain control over your finances and increase your productivity. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and adaptability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your budgeting questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.